Hi, this is Tamas from webdesignhongkong.hk. If you're using your website to collect any sort of leads, there's a good chance they're going to be coming through to your email inbox. Now you want to make sure that you're getting those leads, but the default email sending setup for WordPress websites is not always reliable, and that's why we use two different methods to make sure that you're always going to get your leads. The first thing is we use a plugin called WP Mail SMTP. Now any plugin, if you click on plugins and search, you can then add the plugin. We use it because it's very simple to get your details in. So I put my email, I tick force, my sender name. The only other thing I need is to click SendGrid. There's other services, but we use SendGrid because it's easy. Click SendGrid, and then I'll paste the API key in and hit save. Then it's ready to go, and it will use the SendGrid service to send instead of sending with the default server settings. Now, how to get that API key? We go to sendgrid.com and set up a free account. When we've done that, we click into API keys. We'll create an API key. We'll choose restricted access. We'll choose mail sending only. We'll type in the name, say the name of our website. Once we've done that, we hit create and view. We'll use an example here. We scroll down, hit create and view. Then we get a code here, a one-off API code, which I'm going to delete in a moment. So I've copied that. I'll go then back to my settings of my WP Mail SMTP plugin. I'll paste the API here and hit save, and then I'm done. That's the first step. Now the second step is that even if your mails are sending perfectly, your Gmail, etc., wherever they're going, it could be sending them to spam. So to make sure that you're going to get your mails no matter what, we also use this mail logging plugin, WP Mail Logging. Again, if you go to plugins, add plugins, and you type this in, you will find it. This simply will create for you down here in your menu a mail log menu item. If we click into that, we're going to see all of the emails that have been sent by our website. And I would suggest you check that every morning to find what leads you've got, and then you will not miss any of your valuable leads. Don't be like some people we know that find out that a lot of their recent leads have been going to their mailbox, because you don't want to find out after weeks or months that a lot of your valuable leads have been going to your spam box. Let me know if you have any questions about this. We do set this up by default for every website we make to make sure you're covered.